It's time to do. I can help you. Workbook.
Hello everybody. Today we're going to do pages 60 and 61 of the Let's Go 1 workbook, and this is the Let's Learn More section of Unit 7. First, we have some words to write in here, and then we're going to match them to their pictures, but we can always look back at the student book and review first.
Chicken,
Fish,
pizza,
bread,
rice,
milk,
cake,
ice cream,
Okay, let's start. Here the letters are all mixed up in the words. We will write them correctly and then match them. So Siamerk should be ice cream. I-C-E space C-R-E-A-M. Ice cream is right there. Draw a line down. Yum, yum. I like ice cream. Number 2, Zizap. Should that be chicken, pizza, or rice? Probably pizza because there are 2 Z's in it. So pizza is P-I-Z-Z-A. Pizza. Pizza. And pizza's right here. Draw a line over. I like pizza too. Number 3 says sire. Could that be chicken or rice? Definitely rice. Let's write R-I-C-E and draw a line. And the last one says sichekin. Sichekin must be chicken right there. Chicken is spelled C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. I like chicken. Do you like chicken? Part A is done. This is part B, and it just says write. So we're going to look at the picture and then make 2 sentences. One sentence should tell what the person wants. So we'll say, I want. And the other sentence tells about this X picture. This means no. So we're going to say, I don't want. The pattern in our student books looked like this. All right, and let's just remember that just like a long time ago when we had isn't, that meant is and not. So this "nt" means not. And we also had aren't, which meant are and not, because "nt" means not. So today we have don't, which means do not. Because "nt" means not. Okay, our grammar stuff is done. Let's start. Cake and bread. So he says, I want cake. And X here, I don't want. I don't want bread. Okay, number 2, we have fish for yes and milk for no. So we can write I want fish. W-A-N-T, trace fish, F-I-S-H, and then we'll write I don't want. I don't want milk, M-I-L-K. Number 3, we've got pizza, yes, chicken, no. So we'll say I want pizza, P-I-Z-Z-A, and this is I don't want chicken. I don't, D-O-N'-T, want chicken, C-H-I-C-K-E-N. And we are finished part B. Great job, everybody. What do you want? Okay, this is part C, and it just says read and circle. We're going to read the yes/no question and then circle the right answer. In the student book, so that yes/no question looked like this. Okay, and let's start. The question has the helping part first. So do you want And just like with the is it question, we're going to switch it up. So we say yes or no, and then you changes to I, and then do goes to the end, and it becomes do or don't. So do you? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Do you want bread? He's got his hands up. He has an angry face on, so no, I don't. Do you want pizza? She's very happy, so I think she says, yes, I do. Do you want cake? She has a yucky face on, her hands are up. She says, oh, no, I don't. Do you want chicken? And he looks very happy, so he says, yes, I do. All right, part C is all done. Let's go to part D. This is part D. It just says trace and match. And here we have the different actions from our student books, the action phrases. Let's trace them and then just draw a line over to the picture over here. Number 1 is brush my teeth. So I'll trace that. B-R-U-S-H, my teeth. And who can brush their teeth? He can. I can brush my teeth. Number 2, eat pizza. Trace the letters. And who can eat pizza? She can. I like to eat pizza. Number 3, drink milk. Trace it first. And who can drink milk? He can. Yum, yum, I like to drink milk. Number 4, wash my hands. Trace the letters. Wash my hands. That's her. I can wash my hands. Great. So part D is done, and our workbooks are done for today.